You know, I think this game has a new meaning in today's world.
Down with those guys.
You're biting your hand?
Oh fuck, I banged my head.
Down with the neutrals.
Yeah, that's more like it. That is today's society.
You fucking neutral. Julian.
Oh, he giggled.
What would you do if Carl Wheezer twerked on your cock?
Oh no. I'd probably cry. That's the worst thing that could ever happen to a man. Oh no. I don't want it.
What would Sheen say?
It's Jimmy. Yeah, Ultralord.
I like that he sounds like a frog.
Ultralord.
Hey!
Look at that. I like that the back of the model stretches out. It's nice.
What does?
The back of his shirt. You can see that there's bits of him that stretch out when he's moving fast.
Why would it stretch out?
Because that's stylish.